Today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry lemonade. So I'm going to blend the strawberries in the blender. So now I've blended the strawberries. Now I'm going to cut 2 lemons in half. Now I'm going to be adding sugar, and you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to be adding cold water into that cup, and I'm going to mix the sugar together. Here I'm squeezing 2 lemons in the smoothie. Then I'm just going to mix it. This is how to make strawberry lemonade. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more how-to videos like this.